Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Longvita Elite C2 Collagen Firming and Moisturising Face Mask. These masks are a fantastic treatment to add on to any facial. You can upsell it by adding like $10 or $20 onto a facial by using these masks. And as soon as clients hear collagen and firming and moisturising in the sentence, they're going to want these masks on their face. So today I'm going to be demonstrating the C2 mask. They come in these little satchels. There's 5 in a box like this. You can even retail that to your clients, so they can take that home, 5 in a pack, and they can continue the benefits of these masks at home themselves. Or you can use the single satchels in a facial as well. The also other great thing with these masks is that the collagen helps to reinforce the skin growth. It also is 100% natural collagen, which is fantastic. It also helps balance your skin and oil balance on your skin. So some clients that might be a little bit more oily, or some clients that might be a little bit more dry as well. So it really balances that out. Also, it will help to moisturize the skin by up to 12%. And as lots of clients that come into the salon, you know, their skin is dry, they want moisture, and this mask will give them that extra moisture. Also, the active ingredients in this mask, you've got the collagen to help with the anti-aging, and then you've got the hyaluronic acid, which really helps to bond the moisture to the skin. It's a very popular ingredient nowadays in products, and this mask definitely has that in it. It'll also help diminish the look of pigmentation, and also it'll help cool down the skin. So for those clients that also have the pimples and acne on their face, this is going to help to soothe after a facial as well. So it's a really all-rounder. It's a great mask to use in a facial. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of little tips and tricks of how to use these masks in a facial. So first of all, they come in their little satchels. I like to pop mine in my hot towel cabbie like a couple of minutes before I'm to pop it on the skin. Where I live, it's a little bit of a cooler climate, so the warmer mask going on the skin is nice. But you can also use it, you can pop it in the fridge, and it can be a really cooling effect if you live in more warmer climate. So that's just a little tip there. And it's foil, so it'll keep the warmth in and it'll keep the cool in. You've got a little kind of a little tab there that you can just pull and take that off, and then I'll show you how this mask looks. Now don't throw away the packet just yet, we've got some tips there. So I'm going to unfold the mask first just to show you what it looks like. So it's a full face mask. It's got the 2 eye holes, your nose hole, and that's got a little tab there, and also around the mouth. Now the reason I like to just cut a tiny bit either side of the nose is for when I'm doing a facial and the client wants an eyelash tint as well. I just find it a little bit easier. I can move down the bottom pads, pop the eyelash tint on while the mask is on, so you're not having to do a double treatment. So I'm just going to show you how I cut there. Just my little scissors. But again, this is optional. If they're not having an eyelash tint, I wouldn't do it, but it's just a little tip to know about. So now we're going to slide this mask on. So I always start at the chin, it's easier, and you're going to pop that there, then pop the little bit in front of the nose, and then slide that up the face. And now this is the part where you smooth the mask down onto the skin. I like to really pull it down at the sides of the face, pull it down over the chin, and over the other side of the face. Also by cutting it, you can really get that mask in underneath that eye area, which is always really great to have that extra moisture there. So we're popping that underneath there, and then I just straighten up that nose piece. So really, that is how simple popping on one of the masks is. And now going back to our empty packet here, there's always some loose collagen and hyaluronic acid in these packets. I just curl it up, turn it upside down, and I squeeze all that extra collagen out, and that's come all that in my hand there. Now you can throw it away, and you're going to use that collagen then on the décolletage, and also just a little bit onto the neck area there, maybe where the mask's not reaching. Perfect. Lovely. Now your client's all set there. What I like to do then is do a head or a hand massage while that mask is on, just to give that the most time to soak in. So we're looking at anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes with that mask on, the longer the better. So we're going to leave that mask on now, and then going to come back and I'm going to show you how to remove it. Lovely, now we're back and I'm going to show you now how to remove this mask. So again, where you started at the chin area, that's where we're going to start by removing. So we're just going to grab the material and we're going to just pull up towards the face, like so. Lovely, and a lot of the time after the 20 minutes, you can really feel that the mask has dried out a little bit, and that means that that moisture is going into the skin. I like to then now, I can see that the skin is still shiny there with the moisture on there. I like to then give the client a little bit of a face massage, and I really like to just work that into the skin, up onto the neck and also onto the décolletage. And you get to a point where you can start to feel that it's all the way into the skin. Once that happens, then I like to apply my moisturizer in the facial. Lovely, and also the client's skin just feels so smooth after one of these masks. Perfect. Lovely, just like that. So that's how simple it is to use the C2 Collagen Firming and Moisturizer Mask. I hope that's helped. Any little tips and tricks, there are always on the back of the packet, as well as a little bit of an application guide as well, and also listing your active ingredients and also who these masks are best suited for as well. I hope that's helped.